Hi guys, in this HTML tutorial I will show you how to embed a video in a web page. First of all, you have to have the video inside your HTML directory. I will use a free copyright video, Big Bug Bunny, made by the Blender Foundation. Here, under the image, let's start our video. Open video width, weight, height, $720. Controls, choose bigbugbarney.mp4, type. It's coded in MP4 format. Open and close video. Let's see if it works. We have under here the video. We have the controls, go forward, go backward. Our video works fine, it is in 720p resolution and it is under our image because I wrote it under the image inside the HTML test configuration file. See you later guys.